everyone. So today I'm using my Power Air Oven Fryer. And let me mute my TV so I don't get in trouble for having noise in the background. So I am doing my QVC pot stickers. And there's the bag for that. The perfect gourmet pot stickers, they say. You get 40 count per bag. I got the combos. We're doing 8 per person, and it says air fryer. Lightly spray pot stickers with vegetable or canola oil. Cook at 375 for 7 to 8 minutes. Shaking the basket once halfway through. Well, we're not going to shake it in the basket. So here's my soy sauce dip. I made the sweet soy dipping sauce. A half a cup of soy sauce, a fourth a cup plus 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, a half a cup of white sugar, 1 garlic clove minced finely, and a half a cup of boiling water. I did add in the mix, where's my little whisk, right here's my sauce, and it smells wonderful. Do you think I could find my, there's my whisk. Sorry about that. So I added some of my dehydrated green onions in it. And I did add some red pepper flakes, like how you would get it in the Chinese store. And it smells wonderful. I'm going to stir it up so it don't scorch. And I got it on low for 15 minutes. Put the lid on. And this is my Teflon saucepan that I'm using, and I believe that's a 2-quart. Love Teflon. Okay, so about this. The air fryer oven is the one that you can, add your racks to it and dehydrate and all that. The first time I used it, I was terrified because my countertop got so hot, I was afraid it was going to catch fire. So I haven't used it since. So now I'm going to use it. I'm letting it preheat up to 375 degrees, and then I'm going to cook them for 7 to 8 minutes, and they should be done. I will set the timer over here. It is pretty nifty. I have a French fry rack, a circular rack that goes around and stirs your French fries. There's your meat, your fish, your shrimp, your chicken. Now we did do the chicken drummies in there, 45 minutes. Was not impressed with those whatsoever. You can make a cake. I have no clue. Oh, a whole chicken rotisserie. I have that too, that attachment. It looks like fruit, lights, and reset. So, alright, I will come back when I put them in the oven. Okay, it's preheated. I've got the one rack in. So you just slide it in. And you hope you get it all the way to the back, just like that. And it opened itself. So now I'm going to set it for 8. I'm going to go 9 just for poops and giggles. Okay, and there is a light where you can see what's in there. It is kind of neat. So, bonus. Alright, we'll be back in 9 minutes. Okay, I'm down to less than a minute. Let's see what she looks like. Pretty golden brown to me. I hope they're done. I hope this works. Okay, so I can now put my hand back here. The countertop's not hot. This is hot, the cutting board, but not back here where the last time when I stuck it on just the counter. I don't suggest anybody do that, and I suggest you keep that full, foot away from the walls and anything around it, because it does get hot. Okay, just shut itself down. nice and hot. This plate's for husband. Okay. Mine out. Hard to do one-handed. Alright. And easy cleanup. That slides out, but I'm going to wait until it cools. And I'm going to unplug it. Alright. For mine. Yeah, they're good and hot. We're used to the fried in the pan one, so this ought to work great. Okay, put my dipping sauce in it. Sure, right? Alright, I'll be back because I'm not going to make a mess one-handed doing it. Okay, so now I'm going to try it. They are nice. Dip it in the sauce. It's going to be hot. Pretty good. Excuse me. It's heated all the way through. They got the crunch like you expect. Air frying. Pot stickers is an okay thing. Alright everyone, I hope you like my review on my Power Air Fryer Oven. At first, when I first used it, I was really scared, and I'm not going to lie. I thought my house was going to catch on fire. And I did wings, and it took 45 minutes to do wings. But that was frozen wings, and I think I misread it somewhere. But now that I put it up underneath the cutting board after I watched some people's videos and stuff, I put it up on the cutting board and it had plenty of air all around it. I really liked it. Impressed. I will be using it again. So for right now, on the pot stickers, I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. As always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Take care. Bye.